Agastya Learnings Kids Video! Yay!
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the farmer, 1 for the king, 1 for the children who dance and sing. Baa Baa Black Sheep, soft and sweet, jumping, running on little feet, through the meadow, up the hill, playing, laughing, never still. Baa Baa White Sheep, fluffy like the clouds, rolling in the grass, oh so proud. 1 for my sister, 1 for my brother, 1 for my friend, and 1 for another. Baa Baa Black Sheep, soft and sweet, jumping, running on little feet, through the meadow, up the hill, playing, laughing, never still. Baa Baa Brown Sheep, dancing in the sun, spinning around and having fun. 1 for the teacher, 1 for the crew, 1 for everyone, just for you. Baa Baa Sheep, let's all say yay, sharing wool in a happy way, skipping, hopping all day long, singing together this woolly song.
Subscribe for more videos. For more fun!